Hey friends, it's Melina Dixon, and I am going to do an unboxing of my Erin Condren surprise box that I just received yesterday. So they didn't even send me a tracking number, which for someone who's kind of like a control freak, I guess, well, I'm okay with it. But the first time I ordered one of these boxes, I was like, I haven't got a tracking number yet. And they're like, we actually like to surprise you guys. So I knew it was shipping this week, but I kind of forgot about it. So it was a nice surprise when I got home yesterday from lunch, a pedicure, and getting my hair trimmed to see that it was on my porch. How exciting. Okay, so for those of you who are not familiar with Erin Condren products, they started out kind of as like a stationery company, and then ended up, I'm grabbing my planner out of my book bag to show you guys. I think they're probably best known for their planners. And here's mine. So it has one of my favorite quotes on it, has my name on it, and then it's like so cute inside, and you know, months at a glance. And then what month are we in now? June. So yeah. So like here's next week. I don't do a lot of stickers and stuff in it, but I absolutely love it. It keeps me organized, which is amazing. So they do something, I think 4 times a year, which is a seasonal surprise box. So I was feeling like fun and fancy and was like, I'm gonna get the summer one. So here it is. So it comes in this gorgeous box, and this box is actually, I believe it's reversible, like so you can take it apart and put it back together with this on the inside. I'm pretty sure. If not, you can just reuse it as a gift box. Okay, so when you open it, you get this awesome quote. I'm sure you guys have probably heard of this before. Be a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside. That's a good goal for all of us. Just be sweet like a pineapple. So I'm going to do like that. Okay, so first thing I noticed is there's a cup. Don't they call these tumblers, maybe? Disclosure, I don't need any more of these cups in my life, but it's super cute. So I guess one more cup won't hurt anything. All right. And then there's this little card. They do a contest. So I guess once I'm done on Facebook, I'll download this video and upload it to YouTube, and I'll be entered to win the next box for free. That's cool. All right. Okay. Ooh, y'all, look at this. Hello Sunshine sunglasses case. That's super cute. Oh man. Oh, and I like the way it feels. I don't know if this is like spandex material. Oh, and it comes with a little cloth to clean your glasses. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is fun. I'm excited. So then this is colorful dual tip markers. So I'm sure I'll use those in my planner. Some elastic hair ties. I don't do a ton of ponytails. Hey, there's Chance. There's Chances in the video. Oh, he left. So yeah, these are elastic hair ties. Super cute. Jason came in from the garage. Some stickers. I'll probably use these in my planner, even though I'm not a big sticker person. I guess because I don't make the time to sit down and like do all that kind of stuff. Like some people have time like built into their life to decorate their planners. I don't have that. Or I don't do that. There's a pineapple notepad. This is another thing that I didn't need any more of in my life, but it's super cute. So I'll definitely put it to good use. Ooh, and then a little journal. This is cute as well. Didn't need one. Excited I have one. You don't do glitter, Bonnie. Yeah, I don't do a ton of glitter either. Okay, so that's my surprise box. So it's about a $60 value. They sell them for $35 and you get free shipping with it. So totally worth it to me. This is super, super, super cute. I'm trying to decide if I want to keep this or give it as a gift. I'll probably keep it because it's so cute. But yeah, so that's my box. So yeah, I'm probably gonna break these bad boys open now. And then I want to, of course, test out these markers because pens are very important to me. Let me grab my pen pouch to show you guys. Because this is, you know, we all have our vices. This is one of mine. Yeah, this thing is full of pens. And one of my coworkers, awesome coworkers, got me a pack of flares. I haven't even opened them yet because I just wanted to give them time to get used to the pen pouch that they were going to live in, so I kept them in their natural habitat. But I'll be opening those up and yeah, adding them to my stash. Oh my gosh, this is, see, you guys, now you know what my my vices are. Well, some of them. I have a lot of flaws and, you know, vices, but the big ones are the pen fetish. I just like to write stuff. All right, well, that's it for my unboxing video. Thank you all for watching. Have an amazing rest of your day. All right, bye guys.